Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Haq, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 2 student on the based on chapter 1, and today we will solve some exercise from this chapter. So dear students, take your science book in your hand. Open page number 11 and follow the class with your textbook. So dear students, let us move for our today's topic. Today we will start from page number 11. The first heading of the chapter is where do plants grow? Plants grow all over the earth. They grow in hot and cold places. They also grow in water. Desert plant. Some plants grow in the desert. Deserts are places with sand and very little water or rain. Desert plants have thick and fleshy stems. It stores water in the stem. Example, cactus, brittle brush, etc. Dear students, in your book there is the picture of cactus and brittle brush, and cactus are known to you because cactus also available in our country. Now we are going to discuss about mountain plants. Some plants grow on top of mountains where it is very cold. These plants have long, thin, needle-like leaves. Example, pine, fir, etc. Look, this is the picture of pine tree and this is the picture of fir tree. Now we will discuss about the water plants or aquatic plants. Some plants grow in water. They are called water plants or aquatic plants. Some of the water plants have floating leaves like water lily and lotus, and some are completely submerged under water like hydrilla. Examples, water lily, water chestnut, lotus, duckweed, water hyacinth, etc. This is the picture of water lily, lotus and water chestnut. Now comes to next part of the chapter. This is the parts of the plants. The plants are important part of nature. They can live on land and in water. Plants are very useful to us and we get many things from plants. Plants have different parts. Each part serves different functions that help the plants to survive. Main parts of plants: first one, leaves; second one, flower; third one, fruit. Dear student, correct in your book there is a printing mistake. It is written as 2, it will be 3. The fruit is the third part of the plant. Now come to the number 4th part, that is stem, and last one is seed, which is inside the fruit, and this one is root of the plant. Now come to the description of the parts of the plants in the page number 13. First is leaves. The leaves make food for the plants. They are usually green in color. Second one, the flowers. The flowers turn into fruits. Then fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. They keep the seed safe. And next one is the stem. The stem can be green or brown and can be thin or thick. It holds the plant upright. It carries water and minerals and food up and down between the leaf and the root. It supports the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits and connect them with the root. Now the next part is seed. The seed grows into new plants. Now last one is the root. The root fixes the plants to the soil and helps the plants to take water and nutrients from the soil. Now how plants make their food? plants make their food? They make their food in the leaves by using water, sunlight and nutrient from the soil. Dear student, this is the part how we care of the plants. Plants need water to grow, so water the plant regularly, otherwise it will die. So next point is plants should be placed in a such way that is received enough sunlight, because we have read for making food plants need sunlight. Now last one, leaves of the plant should be cleaned regularly so that plants breathe easily. Dear students, this point you have to remember for you. Now we will go for the next page. There the points to be remembered from that chapter 1, that means plants around us. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climber, creeper are different types of plants. Different plants grows in different places. Third one, each part of the plants work differently. Fourth one, we should wash our hands before and after eating. And last one, leaves make food for the plants using sunlight, water and nutrients. Dear students, now we will solve the objective type question from this chapter. First, we will take the correct answer. The thick woody stem of a tree is called, here is the option, a shrub, a trunk, a branch. Dear students, that will be a trunk. Next question is, shrubs are also called a climber, a creeper, a bush. That will be a bush. Then a periwinkle is a herb, shrub, wild plant. It will be wild plant. Fourth one, a plant that is completely submerged under water, lotus, duckweed, hydrilla. We have learned about hydrilla. And last one, a plant that stores water in its stem, coconut, cactus, feed. It will be cactus, because desert plant store water in the stem. Now we will solve B, that means fill the table. We have some information and some we have to fill up. First one, stem of tree, it will be hard and woody. Of shrub, it will be medium sized woody. Now next one, it will be thin, soft and green stem. Thin, soft and green. Next one, how long it lives? Then it will be for tree many years. Now about shrub, a few years, and about herb, it will be 3 to 4 months. 3 to 4 months. Now about the example. Trees example will be mango, and shrubs you can write rose, or anything else from the shrub and anything else from the trees you can write here. Now we will solve the examples of wild plant. The C. We already finished A and B. Now we will solve C. The wild plant will be banyan. Then climber will be money plant. Now next one, aquatic will be water lily. Now desert plant will be cactus. Now a thing that plants take from soil, that will be nutrients. Dear student, this one is your SW, that means exercise A is your SW. This is your SW number 1, exercise A from page number 14, and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing. Do all the exercise at home. Practice it again and again, and submit your SW regularly on every Saturday. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.